Hello, 1900s War History here. I have a weird camera angle since my tripod's kind of also funky, meh. But I have a unboxing to do, but the box is kind of low. It's kind of more convenient for like this, but I'm probably going to move the camera. Anyways, look at the number of stamps on this thing. This came from Britain and has like 33 stamps. Anyways, let's get into it. And try to be very careful opening this up. And if you don't know what I'm opening up, it's WW1 and it's German. Probably wouldn't be. So there we go. But the way I was cutting it, don't cut it like that, because that will stab you. I'm just bad at not doing that sometimes. Ooh, I can see it, and I already really like it. Can't really see it. Get all the fun stuff out of the way. And that's the best way to go about it. And boom. Alright. So now I'm gonna bring it closer and actually right there works perfect. Okay, so let's look at the outside. This is actually shorter than your average can. And it almost looks wider than your average can too. Now, with all of its rust on the outside, it's still pretty cool. This is all original stuff from World War One. Let's take a look at the bottom of the can. Nothing on the bottom of the can. This is a very bare can, but it is a complete matching set. It's very cool how some things on here look pretty improvised and pretty unique to other cans. Let's open it up. Here we are, where all the cool stuff is. So, as we can see, we have this bar type for the thing. Actually, I have no clue how you're actually supposed to get these out of here. I'm not going to try to, but it's still nice that it has the lenses. It's just, I always wondered how this was meant to work, these. If you look, however that's supposed to go, doesn't quite fit. I presume you're supposed to put it in at an angle, and I'm not going to mess with it. That's an original piece. That being said, ooh, it's very stiff. Try to be careful. There we are. Does have the paper down at the bottom of it. I'm not going to take that out. You can see here, model of 1915 gas mask. Very rare, very cool that I have this. Ooh. That gas mask is falling apart, that's why it's like that. But look, there we have it. Smells old, checking for gas. Sometimes if they smell like gas, they will. Yeah. Don't know what this is, but that also came out. That could, I don't know. I'm gonna look at that, see whatever that is. That could be a part of the gas mask. Actually, it doesn't really look like a part of the gas mask. So I think that might have been just a part of the canister itself, because that's a very old canister. This is all a complete 1916 set. But it's a size number 2 gas mask. Very cool to see this. Yeah, this filter is falling apart though. That's why it's taped like that. See there. Just looking over this is all. It's pretty cool. Ah, yes. Here's the stamp I was looking for. Can't really read that stamp quite too well. Just looking for other markings. But if you can see that little stamp right there, very hard to see. That's what I was looking at right there. This is a very cool World War I original German gummy mask. This costs a lot of money. These are very rare. This is a very cool one for being from 1916. But that's all I wanted to show you guys was the unboxing of it. So, thank you for for watching this cool unboxing. I know I didn't have much to say. I'll do a video on this later. But have a great day.